Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing things a little different this week. A buddy of mine called me. He needs to test out some camping gear. I'm like, well, hey, I got a little bit of gear I need to test out. So we're coming out here to his new place. Check out the house he's building out here. Check out his property, but also do some camping. Maybe it's about a campfire. Cook some food. Just have a good time. Relax. The key is, man, to get outside. So we all going through things, right? Like right now, I'll be honest with you, I have a lot of stress and anxiety right now. We have no well at the house. Our well is done. Don't know why. I've replaced a few things, a few parts, not working. So we're gonna have to have a professional come and look at it, but it is what it is. But anyways, that's part of life. That is a stressor. That is anxiety. Some of the best things to do to help with anxiety is just to get outside, go do something. But the thing about it is today is to test gear, get outside, focus on the moment, focus on what we got going on right now, leave the stressors at home, leave all that stuff behind us, and just focus on the moment, have a good time, relax, enjoy the day, enjoy what God has created for us, guys. But I love y'all. I'll see y'all in just a few minutes.
Out at the Dollar General there and throw. Because they didn't have any hand soap. We're going to stop and get some hand soaps and hand sanitizer, and they had these things everywhere.
Fuck yeah.
I'm like, oh yeah.
These pieces are like, to me, the perfect combination. Sweet, salty.
You want all?
Fuck yeah, I do.
I'll be in the fridge.
Thank you, sir. I'm going to split a little bit of wood. At least get some of it split. Some of it might be good just to keep it whole.
A bunch of it's already split.
Yeah, it's so dry.
Yeah, it's been there. It's been cut for 3 years.
Yeah, it's easy.
Oh, they're sitting down. Come on.
Yeah, I grabbed a big one from back there. Oh, too far. Yeah. Oh, really? It's Conan the Barbarian. As a kid, wanted to be Conan. Contemplated, but the good thing about having like a stove and a tent like that is that if you do get wet, you can dry out, or if it's really cold, you can really warm up. 550 cord. If I can cut it with this. We'll make do. No, nice.
Okay.
That's sharp. That was a lot better than that. Thank you, sir.
Never brought the skid steer.
I thought about buying some of that 1,000-foot stuff you had at the store. There we go, that's better. That's right. Really not too bad, Dan. I might loosen that one up a little bit, lower it down, it's too high.
Got it. Part of the boys and working late all the time. All my time.
I think we're ready to go. Perfect. Should be enough water. So we are doing a peak refuel. All I know is this better be good, Steve. This is not. Ooh, that was crazy. Not, you're gonna get a phone call from me, buddy. What's that? I find these little Walmart Swiss Tech are really, really good. Probably the best I've seen as far as battery packs go. This one here is a digital readout. Pretty nice. I don't know that this works, but I do like it. American Buffalo barbecue mac and cheese.
Did you heat up water already?
I got it heating up now.
Say I got all kid over here set up too. I got penny olive vodka with chicken, country style, chicken pot pies.
Nice.
I brought us biscuits and gravy for the morning.
Oh shit, that's gonna be good.
And I got a pizza.
So far the peak are really good. I do have peach cobbler. If you're still hungry after, I got some peach cobbler.
Yeah, I brought one too.
Okay. It was already boiling. Not gonna put more than that for sure. Alright. 10 minutes. It's a Devo's Light Ranger. It's pretty nice. You need me to do something?
I got a wash station.
Man, this thing absorbed all the water. No, I don't think so.
Yes. It's the floor. It's on the slide, so it slides out.
Yeah, I'm with it.
That's what I've been working on for the last month.
I'm not gonna lie, this. This is actually pretty good. You got a spoon? And try it?
Yeah, I got that. I got it with me. Which one is that? Oh, it's a bison?
The bison one?
Look at this. I'll try it later. That's what I want to take with me out.
Here, this right here was a win. Definitely the American Buffalo barbecue mac and cheese. Really good. But now, I've been waiting for this guy for a long time. I don't have my glasses on. Two-third cups, 5. Okay. 2/3 cups of water. Let that cool off. Just stir it together. It smells really good. We got 10 minutes. 8:54. That's hot. I might have added a touch too much water.
Yeah, I put a little more than two-thirds of the cup.
You did?
I put a little bit too much. But how the hell do you know? You can't fucking see anyway.
Well, like those things don't measure in, like the soda ones don't measure in ounces. Let's say milliliters. Well, I just eyeball it. Like, I mean, 16-ounce bottle water, you know.
That's what that does it by bottle, by 16 ounce. It doesn't break it down any shorter.
All right. It smells good.
I think it's good.
Okay, it's really good, but it's not grandma's peach color. There's no doubt, but it is good. Whoever says you sleep like a baby in these things, lies. All lies. That's cold. Use that to brush my teeth. Oh yeah, so you got to entertain yourself.
Last year I shot was in 2006. Her and I, when the boys were little,
Yeah.
every single day. If the weather was good enough to be out there, I was out there. Didn't always kill nothing. Most times killed time, but didn't have to be at the gun shop when I was working until 10 o'clock. So this guy had come in the shop and he offered me he had got this really nice lease. It wasn't huge. But one day we're sitting there skinning it, or gutting this deer out. And he says, "Man, I want to kill a deer. I want to kill a deer just like that one a day." I'm like, he would be fucking wound up.
That bug fever?
Doe fever, buck fever, he had all the fevers. Yeah, even if you saw a great buck, your chances of closing the distance and killing him, you don't have the money to get him professionally now.
It's getting even more expensive.
And then it gets worse.
For the money, I don't think you can beat that canopy, that hammock. I just don't sleep well outside of my house, but outside of my own bed. But that really does work good, I think. For cheap, 40 bucks, I think. Easy to go up, easy to take down. I don't think you can beat it. Hey guys, man, we just left my friend's property. We had a great time. Now, granted, didn't do a whole lot of talking simply because, man, we were just chatting. We were doing our thing. It was really a day of about, for me, he was testing a bunch of gear. I was testing a hammock, which we'll get to in a second. For me, most of this was just get away, just have a good time, just concentrate on what we had going on in front of us, man, so I can get away from the stress and anxiety. It really does help just to get outside and go do something.
At the stop sign, turn right onto FM 486.
Yes, ma'am. Now, granted, some people say, well, we don't have a property to go to. Really and truly, when I went to Enchanted Rock a few weeks ago, it was $12. $12 for me and my wife to go in there and hike and do things. And it really could be...
miles, turn left onto US 79.
It could really be very non-expensive just to get outside and go do something with you, your wife, your family, your significant other, whoever it may be. Regardless, guys. Now, as far as the hammock goes, I was testing out the Pathfinder Hammock. Really good hammock. I mean, I want to say it was 40 bucks for a netted hammock. My gosh, it was really, really easy to set up. Just basically comes out of the bag, and putting it back together, just stuff in the bag. It's really easy for 40 bucks. I mean, setup time, oh my God, it just felt like a minute or two at most. I don't know. If you're really good, we've done it before. That was my first time. You can probably do it under a minute if you want to move that fast. I don't really care to move that fast. I just took my time. But anyways, regardless, guys, get outside, go do something. I love y'all. I'll see y'all later.